Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with clean, warm, wet hair to let the product penetrate. Once wet, dispense 1-2 pumps for short hair or 3-4 for longer hair into your palm. Spread the conditioner between your hands and apply directly to mid-lengths and ends. Avoid rubbing into the scalp to prevent oiliness. Make sure to comb through gently with fingers or a wide-tooth comb to distribute evenly. Let it sit while you continue your shower routine so the formula can hydrate and detangle effectively. Once applied, focus on timing. For normal hair, leave the conditioner in for 1 to 3 minutes. For dry or damaged hair, leave it 5 to 10 minutes to allow active ingredients to work. While waiting, gently massage the condition lengths to encourage absorption, but avoid aggressive rubbing. If you need extra slip for detangling, use a tiny extra pump. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Finishing with a cool rinse helps seal the cuticle, locking in moisture and boosting shine so your hair looks smoother. You finish by gently towel drying, pat and squeeze rather than rubbing, to preserve the conditioner's smoothing effect. If your hair feels weighed down after drying, make sure you use the right amount and rinsed fully. Reduce quantity next wash. For persistent heaviness or greasy-looking roots, clarify with a clarifying shampoo once every 2 to 3 weeks to remove buildup. If dryness returns quickly, increase leave time slightly or pair with a targeted leave-in product. These adjustments keep your routine balanced and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.